The Detective Monkey. Once upon a time, there lived a monkey named Johnny, who was very kind to everyone. And there was a very special thing about him, which was that he was expert in finding things. One day, he was taking a walk on the forest track when he suddenly met a bunny who looked very worried. So he asked the bunny that why was he looking very worried. The bunny said that he had lost a very precious ring of his mother, and if he didn't find it, his mother would kick him out of the house. After that, the monkey asked the bunny that how did it got lost. The bunny said that he tripped over something and his ring fell down somewhere very deep in the park. The monkey went to the park with the bunny and he found very obvious clue. It was that the glitter on the ground. So he asked the bunny if he had some glitter in his ring. And the bunny said yes. After that, the monkey followed those glittery tracks until the end. And in the end, the track ended near a very deep hole in which he saw something very bright shining. So he decided to go and check once that if it was Bunny's ring. Then he went in and he found a very glittery, bright and shining ring. So he thought, why not to show it to the bunny if it was his? So he went to the bunny and showed the ring and asked him if it was his. The bunny said, yes, it is mine, and thanked the monkey. The end.